Hey everyone, this is Tim from YourSixTech. Today in this video, I'm going to show you how to recover a file that you deleted on your Windows 11 computer. And this could be very easy. So let's go over to a web browser right now and then type in www.ccleaner.com/recuva, just like this, and then press enter. And go to this web page and get this, and then download recuva right here. So let's select it, and then I'm going to go to the advanced file recovery and go to the free download. Then I'm going to select download right here. Now I can see the download in the bottom left side of the screen. Let's press the up arrow and then go to open and then press yes on the permission. Now let's go through the installation, and I'm going to go to customize and then go to install. Now let's go to run recuva and let's go to next. Now let's choose a location file type that we want to go ahead and try to recover. So I'm going to try to recover a video that I deleted at one point, and then go to next. Now choose a location. So I actually deleted this, so I put it into my recycling bin. So let's go to search for files deleted from the recycling bin. Go to next. Now it says check this box if the previous scans have failed to find your files. Note that this may take over an hour for larger drives. So you can check mark enable deep scan right here and then start a search. I'm just going to go ahead and just do a quick search. So let's go to start. So this is what it looks like when it's searching my drives. And it's going relatively quick right now, and it has scanned a large amount of files. All right, so these are my results. So I did end up deleting a lot of items at one point. And if you look at the little circle next to the item, the green ones you can recover, the yellow ones may or may not be able to be recovered, and the red ones you probably won't be able to recover. So just look at these and then select an item. So if something's not overwritten, you can go ahead and get it. So this one says no overwritten clusters. Then this file right here, it says this file is overwritten. So if it's overwritten, we won't be able to go ahead and recover that specific file. So it can't be overwritten. So let's choose something that says no overwritten. Like this one right here. I'm not sure what this is, but it's an MP4. Then I'm going to go to the check mark right here and go to recover, and then choose a location where I want to go ahead and recover it to. So let's just go to my desktop and then go to OK. Then go to OK. So this is the file that I went ahead and recovered. I'm not really sure what it is. I just selected something, and the file type is unsupported. So it must have been like with a game or something like that. So let's choose one more file right here and select this one. I believe this is from like my video camera. It says C0015, which is usually from my Sony a6400. Let's go to desktop. And this is the file I just recovered. This is just a standard MP4. Let's open this up and just see what this is. Looks like me doing a tech video on this channel. So it's very easy to recover. Just look at the file name here, and then you should be good to go. Hopefully your file isn't overwritten and you can go ahead and recover it. So if it was recently, you might be in luck. So if this video did indeed help you out, leave it a big thumbs up and subscribe to my channel down below for more tech up videos coming up next on YourSixTech.